Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we've been working on anything and kind of doing any videos, but we've got our ZL1 finished. We painted it, did all the body work. I think we probably did it in what, 3-4 days maybe?
Yeah, we knocked this thing out really quick, and it sat for a while. We were real busy during the summer, and the car sat pretty much the last, the last
2 months maybe?
Video that we did, yeah, when we took it out to the racetrack with the burn-up fender and the bumper cover off the other car. But in 3 days, we ended up knocking it out, doing the body work, doing the paint. The thing was keyed. This door, and if you go back and look at our other videos, you'll see it. The door, the quarter, they even keyed the gas door, which is crazy. But deck lid, rear bumper. Did we do any paint work over here?
I think we did paint work on the quarter, and the only thing we didn't do on this side was the door.
On the roof, we didn't do the roof. But yeah, we knocked it out real quick to actually take it to the drag strip, and we didn't want to take it there. Well, we've raced it before, all nasty and beat up, but people were kind of wondering why we were even there. So painted up and ran it, and actually my mom raced it. She ended up going, what, 11? Was it like 11, 13?
Something like that. I think she surprised us all driving it.
At like 138 mile an hour, which is ridiculous mile an hour.
Well, your mom's faster than all of us in this thing, so that's kind of funny.
Yeah, we're gonna get this thing out, take it for a cruise, show you guys what it looks like outside. And we've also still got the black Cts-v that we did. If you guys go back a couple of videos, you'll see we put a rear clip on that. Well, we didn't do it, that was too advanced for us. But we had a rear clip put on it. What else did we do to that thing? That was it, the rear clip basically. The thing ran and drove perfect when it was wrecked. So we still got that car, but that thing actually ended up selling about 2 days ago. I didn't actually have it listed for sale. Honestly, I wanted to run like a 9-second pass in it before we ended up selling it, because it would just make it worth more money. But with it being winter time here again, none of the tracks are open. So a friend of a friend bought that car, and we've got the thing cleaned up and ready to go. So we're gonna show you that just right after we take this thing for a drive. All right, guys, we got this thing outside, and as you can see, it actually looks pretty good. The paint matches nice, which we had to paint almost everything, but I mean, it's really nice. We do need to put another coat of compound on it. You can see a few light scratches, but then put a coat of wax on it. It's never had any wax put on it. I mean, we knocked this thing out, like we said earlier, 3 days. What do we have, 4 guys on it?
Yeah.
Had 4 guys on it, so we were really humping to get this thing done.
There's one thing we still have to do.
I don't even remember what we have to do. Ryan remembers.
The melted wiper cowl.
Oh.
That's about it.
And needs a little cleanup down
Yeah.
here. But melted wiper cowl. We actually had to pull the blower off. This thing, the mechanical fuel pump was actually loose on the back of the engine. It had a crazy oil leak. We actually thought the rear main was leaking until we found that. And then what else did we have to do? Oh, we put a Cortez ice box on it. Yep. So we put that. That's got what, 3 gallon, I think,
So, yeah.
water, and that'll just help keep the supercharger and everything cool. So that about completes this project. Yeah, we had the complete interior out of it. It's a little dirty inside, but I mean, we had that dash, the whole wiring harness. I mean, if you guys watched the videos, you saw, and this thing turned out really nice. So this car's actually gonna stay around for a little bit. But let's go take the Cadillac for a spin and show you guys that, because that thing is actually supposed to be gone tomorrow. Right here is the Cts-v we worked on. Actually, we didn't film the bodywork and all that. Long story short, a friend of ours was gonna buy it. He ended up not buying it, so the car sat for months. He did the bodywork for us, and then the car actually sat for a little bit longer, and then I had a call from a friend just randomly a couple days ago saying, hey, you want to sell the Cadillac? And I'm like, yeah, sure, I guess I'll sell it. So the thing is going to a no home in the morning. I was hoping to take it to the track again and run some 9-second passes, but I guess it's better to sell it and move on to the next thing. So we'll consider this thing sold. We just wanted to show you what it looks like and how it turned out. You can see right in here, this is where most of the bodywork was done. Right there and right down there. I mean, you can't even tell that we did any work to it. It turned out very nice. Car runs good, drives good. The only thing we haven't finished is we kind of got screwed on airbags. We've learned that, let's see if I get this thing to stop beeping. We've learned that the curtain airbags in these, there's a special pigtail for what we believe to be 13 only. And we've gotten a couple airbags that had that pigtail broken. And we're supposed to have one by tomorrow to have for the new guy to have an airbag, and that won't be here till later this week. So other than that, this is it. What do you want to say?
Finally done after 6 months.
Yeah, it's not done. I mean, it's got an airbag that needs to be fixed.
95% done.
95%. And he knows the airbag's missing. I'm sure he'll be watching this video, and maybe he'll watch it. I don't know. I wouldn't watch our videos. They're boring.
Way to have confidence in yourself.
Alright guys, we're gonna drive this thing around. We're not gonna do any stupid burnouts or anything like that, because I mean, we obviously know it'll do it if you watched our other videos. But things sold, so we're gonna respect that and just putz around in it. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. As you see behind me, there's the ZL1. There's no Cts-v. I actually sold yesterday, and with the power of technology, we can film today and make it look like we filmed them both at the same time. And yeah, so anyways, that Cadillac's gone. Hopefully the guy that bought it, like I said, he was a friend of a friend. He keeps us updated. That thing was a wicked car, and I'd like to keep it, but can't keep them all. So this summer we decided to just do the wreck stuff, and salvage prices are just absolutely ridiculous right now. You're paying, by the time you're done fixing them and everything, you're paying what you could pretty much buy a clean title one for. For instance, we bought a truck, did it for our car lot a few weeks ago, and we really only made like 500 bucks on the thing, just because the prices are just crazy high right now. I don't know what the heck it is, but even regular auction prices right now are super high. So we really haven't been buying stuff like we were. So Ryan and I kind of took a break from the YouTube stuff and worked on our own stuff. Well, now we're kind of regretting that we didn't film all that.
Yeah, we should have filmed everything, but well, you live, you learn.
Yeah, we finished the 59 Cadillac for a customer. The thing's LSA swapped. It's on a roaster shop chassis, full air ride. We did the complete interior in it. I mean, we did that thing. I mean, top to bottom. We didn't do the paint and chrome on it. He wasn't ready to do that yet. He wants something he can drive. You know, not have to worry about rock chips and stuff like that. And that'd be, you know, the perfect car for him. So we did that. See, we got a 69 Camaro running in what, like 4 days?
Yeah.
Took the thing out drag racing off the trailer, went 10:45, I think, first pass. Ended up going to 10:30, 10:31 or 10:32, I think. Thing on, you know, stock street tires. Ended up hurting the engine that event. Fixed the engine, took it out for a test and tune, went 1014 with it, but hurt the transmission there too. So that thing's got potential to go mid-9s, and we'll film a little bit of that. And then let's see, what else did we do?
Did the RV.
Oh yeah, so Ryan's buddy, we go drag racing a lot, and we've all got to stay in one RV, and it's really a pain. Ryan's buddy had this bad boy sitting in his backyard with a blown motor, so bought the thing for stupid cheap.
24 valve Cummins?
Yeah, it's got a 24 valve Cummins. We went to the salvage yard, got a 24 valve for it, swapped that in. Yeah. Heck, it took us what, 2-3 weeks to do this?
I think 2 weeks, because it had been sitting for so long and got all the kinks worked out. Hell, we had to bring a forklift here to get the engine out because it's buried in the back of these things.
Yeah,
but
we pulled engine and tranny together, and then.
Funny story about the RV that we bought not running. It was about what, 3-4 miles from here.
Yep.
And it didn't run, so we got a log chain, hooked it up over to the front axle, and used Duramax to pull it home.
Well, not only that, we had to unlock the air brakes and use air brakes to stop it because it's all air system. And the generator at the time wouldn't start. So we brought a Predator generator over, hooked a little pancake air compressor up in the back room, opened the windows so we didn't die as we were riding in it, getting towed. And it would only build up about 15 pounds of air. So we had to like time our stops to where, you know, we didn't run out of air pressure. We couldn't stop, so.
It was interesting. It took us 45 minutes to go like 4.5 miles or something.
Yeah, it was actually a lot of fun, honestly. But yeah, that's how we got her back now and running, and now hopefully she runs good, and
hopefully it starts in the spring.
Hopefully we don't have to do that again. I mean, that's gonna be about it. So thanks for watching. We'll bring some more stuff. We're gonna do our personal stuff now and throw in some of the salvage builds, and hopefully we'll be able to put on some good entertainment for you. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.